What's going on, guys? So this is some GTA 5 shenanigans. I decided to compile a couple of clips for you. Oh, smack that guy right in the back of the head. And I could just continue to kick him while he's down. I was having a little fun with my axe here, playing Mr. Axe Murderer. Looking for people to kill. Hey, I see some people. And axe to your head. Can I borrow your hat, sir? Thank you. I love it when I hit them with the axe that their hats fall off. Ooh. Hey, look, there's a collection of homeless people. I wonder if they'll appreciate my axe.
What the fuck do you think you'll do?
I'm about to do this. Thank you. And one for you. And one for you. Hey, no, don't run away. Please, don't run away. No. Can't run now, can you? Didn't think so. Right in the face.
That shit ain't real.
Yes, it is. It's very real. Hello, Mr. Paramedic. Axe to you. Where'd the other... Oh, there you are. Axe to you, too. Oh. Paramedic only has $11 on him. Guess they don't pay very well in Los Santos. Excuse me, car. Can I go ahead and fix your car there, sir? Oh, you have to call your wife? Anybody to kill? Hello, Mr. Person, you. Axe to you. Right in the butt. You needed a new butt crack, so I gave you one. I wonder how homeless people will react to my grenade. And boom. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Why are you guys running away? I just want to play. Don't you want to see my axe? Come on, really? Ooh, hey, look, a motorcycle. Ow, that hurt. Fail. An epic or fail. Just gets up, walks right back over to his motorcycle, and drives away like nothing even happened. Oh, and he even pops a sick wheelie, because, you know, that makes up for everything. Evasive maneuver. Ow, sorry. Wheelie. Commence slow-mo. This is gonna hurt. Complete front flip, side flip thing. And break all the legs. I did like 4 barrel rolls here. Kappa, die! Ugh. That hurt. I wonder if I could have some fun with my sniper rifle right about now. You ever just go to an intersection and just shoot people with a sniper rifle? It's a lot of fun because people go crazy. Watch your language, sir. Damn, I missed. You just ran over that dude's motorcycle. That's very rude of you, sir.
That was insane.
Yes, it was. Thank you for the commentary. Uh-oh, the cops are here. This isn't good.
Just give up.
No thank you. I'd rather not.
What the? Don't move.
I'm not moving. Okay, maybe I moved a little bit there.
Get some fire down range.
I have very bad aim with a sniper rifle, which you'll see. That's not very nice.
Reloading. Get this. Get this asshole business.
Hey, I shot one. Hey, excuse me, sir.
Ain't fucking around.
I'm not either. Even though, like I said, I suck with a sniper rifle.
Changing mag.
Okay, good for you. Oh, headshot.
Cover. I ain't dealing with your shit.
Come on, pop your head back up.
Loser.
There we go. Actually, I believe you're the one that's dead, sir. And you're dead. And you're dead. Cops have some foul language, I swear.
You dick.
I am not a dick.
I see you.
Oh, you do?
Gotta reload.
Let's try something a bit more automatic and see if you like that.
Where's my cover? Nowhere to run.
I'm not running. I'm standing and shooting.
I'm reloading.
Let's try first person, see if that makes me a better aim.
Come on. Dumbass.
You guys are very rude to me. I hope you realize that.
Damn it. Everyone ready? Fuck you.
That's very rude as well. I swear these cops in Los Santos are just extremely rude.
I got you.
Somebody should tell the governor.
I gotta reload. Give me cover. You're an ass. I got you.
And you're a dead man.
I'm reloading. Cover me. It's over. Take cover.
Oh. That didn't last very long. Ooh, hey, look, a helicopter. Let's go for a nice little flight, shall we? Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. If you would please go ahead and fasten your seatbelts while I shut this door, and we'll be on our way. It's a very nice day for a flight, so sit back and enjoy the ride. We're going to go ahead and head towards the city now. If you look out to your left, you'll go ahead and see some nice crystal blue water. Uh, I like to swim there occasionally. Uh, do some laps, if you will. And then if you go ahead and look to your right, we're approaching the port where a lot of our ships are kept. Directly in front of us, soon to be on our right, is the Los Santos Indoor Stadium. That's where a lot of our indoor sports teams play their footballs and soccers and whatnot. So yeah. As we head towards the city, you'll notice on your left-hand side a big old skyscraper they're doing construction on. They've been building this thing for approximately 3 years now. Will they ever finish? I certainly do not know. So, yeah. It's a very beautiful day for a flight. Just look at that nice crystal blue sky. Beautiful sun. Look at that sun. Isn't it beautiful? Well, by God, would you look at the time? It appears I must be going. It's been wonderful flying with y'all. Have a nice day. Can I beat my helicopter crashing to the ground? I don't know. We'll see. Oh, there it goes. I didn't beat it. Yeah, you know, just parachuting down onto the highway. Yes, way. And he sticks the landing. 10 out of 10. Pardon me, but can I have your vehicle, please?
Good Lord.
No, not good Lord. But thanks to you anyway. Excuse me. Hey, get out of the way. Oh, jeez, I'm sorry, dude. I'm so sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, sorry. That's gonna leave a mark. Hey. Trying to evade the cops. Ow. No, thank you. God bless you. Ow. Driving in first person is very difficult. And that was a telephone pole. Ow. Ow. What do you know? That worked. I evaded the cops. Ow. Ouch. Ow. Roly-poly. Do I stick the landing? I do. But I'm disoriented, so I crash into a pipeline. And I get my car stuck on a guardrail. No matter. Let's go ahead and light this baby up. Firework! My car is now a Katy Perry song. Ooh. Ah. Firework. Rocket jump. Let's see that again in slow-mo. It's still fun to watch. Pisswasser, that sucks. I'll show you just how much I enjoy your beer. That was preemptive. Excuse you. Damn, I missed him. Boom. Okay. Run away! Run away! Ugh. Ouch. I am dead, clearly. Goodbye, Pisswasser. Goodbye, fireman. Uh-oh. Something bad's gonna happen. It just slowed down. Explosion. Does he stick the landing? Oh, no, he doesn't. That looked painful. Yep, I committed suicide. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it out to your friends.